It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I'm excited. I'm bloody always excited. Got a new fridge and I'm going to do, I fancy doing some jambalaya. I said I was going to make jambalaya and I'm going to make it. A fantastic rice dish. The paella or the paella of Louisiana. Amazing, simple to do. One pot pan. I'm going to do it in a Dutch oven. Try and get one of these. It's got a lot of Spanish, Caribbean, African influences. And there's two types of jambalaya. There's the Creole and the Cajun. And I'm going to do the Creole. It's got tomatoes in it, and the Cajun hasn't got any tomatoes in it. Cajun's a bit more browner without the tomatoes, and the Creole is a bit more lighter. And for my protein, I'm going to do some smoked sausage andouille and some pork tenderloin. It's going to be amazing. Simple to make. I'm going to show you how to do it. And I love cooking this in the winter. So let's crack on. I've got some pork tenderloin. I think that will be a great addition to the jambalaya. You can add anything you want to a jambalaya. Seafood, game, any protein, anything you want. But I do like pork tenderloin in jambalaya. So first I'm gonna season this with some Cajun seasoning, a good bit. You can get this anywhere, this Cajun seasoning, or make it yourself. Right, hot pan, then we're gonna brown the pork tenderloin. So olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil. Add the pork. Right, now put that to one side. It's smelling amazing, got some great colour. We'll use that later. Right, I'm going to prep my veg. I've got some smoked sausage, some andouille. If you can't find andouille, just use some nice kielbasa or any smoked sausage. That'll work really well. And the trinity for Cajun cuisine. Green onion. Don't use red onion. I like the bitterness of the green, especially when doing stuff like this in stews, and it's got a really nice flavour. Fits really, really well. Celery and onion. So I'm going to prep them and we'll crack on. Your knife work doesn't have to be perfect on this. It can be rustic, but they need to be all roughly the same size. Right, hot pan. In the same pan I browned the pork, I'm going to brown off my sausage. So, hear that sizzle. That is, I always love that sound. So get your sausage in. Right, these are browned off, and you really want to go to the edge on this. You're going to get some really nice crust on the sausage for maximum flavour. So I'm going to add these to a bowl. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So from that beautiful sausage fat, I need to add my veg straight in. It's got a nice sizzle, that's what you want, and you want to sweat this off for a good 8 to 10 minutes. You want to get this veg nice and brown. Jambalaya is all about layering flavours. It's not just about throwing everything in one pot and hope for the best. That's not a jambalaya. A jambalaya is all about layering flavours, and that's what we're doing. Right, so now I have my garlic and my Cajun seasoning. I love this stuff. And you want to cook this out for a good minute or so. Look at that. After 10 minutes, it's nice and dark and beautiful flavour. And now, my rice. I'm going to toast my rice for a good 5 minutes. To get my rice in, and I'm going to toast it. So next, add your tomatoes. That beautiful sausage. A couple of bay leaves. Right, next, add your stock. Just give that a good stir. That's it. How easy was that? It smells amazing. You want to bring this up to a boil, simmer for a good 20-30 minutes until the rice is tender. You want that rice to suck up all that stock. That's a real jambalaya. Some people like it a bit more like a soupy consistency. but I like it, you know, that. I bet you thought I forgot about the pork tenderloin. No, I'm gonna add this last 10 minutes of cooking, diced. It's gonna be amazing. This cooks pretty quick. Great for stir fries as well. Thinly slice it, add it to your wok, boom, done. Tasty as well. I'm going to top it off with some nice fresh parsley, just over the top. Look at that. Now that is a jambalaya. Just top that off with some green onion, just a little bit of Tabasco. A little bit. Yeah, why not? Good winter food, this. It's got to tuck in. Oh my God. That pork tenderloin's beautiful. You've got to have a bit of Tabasco on this. It's pure comfort food. It sticks to your ribs, and it's layers of flavour. Like I said, you can't just bung in a pot and hope for the best. It's layers of flavour to produce that. That is a jambalaya. Absolutely fantastic. Traditionally served with cornbread. I like to have this with some crusty bread. And it's easy. Follow my instructions and you are going to have a good meal, my friends. You are going to have a good meal. Give it a go. Thanks, guys.